So we came across a piece written on Investor Place, and it says they have a list of the top 5 short squeeze stocks from Fintel, and but this is quite old. It says the short squeeze stocks to watch. Beat Digital, Support.com, Siemens Healthineers, Century, and Created. And if we come back, we can see that beginning with Created, it didn't really rally. It unfortunately has been retracing, and it has 11.774 million shares outstanding, quite a small one. So it's likely to benefit from any squeeze significantly. The other one is Century. Century also didn't do much as well. So while that is coming up, we can always find Century here. Yes, you can see it didn't do well as well. It has retraced below its 10-day moving average. It has retraced below that moving average. So the next one there on that list is Siemens Siemens Healthineers. Okay, let's look at Siemens. I think Siemens is quite a bullish one. SMMNY. Yes, it's very much very bullish. Has been bullish for a long time. Very bullish. Yeah, you can see that here as well. Siemens Healthineers. You can see very bullish, trading at a premium to all of its moving averages. So even with the short squeeze, you know, it's not. It has it just is a very typical case of a bullish stock. Skepticism, and you know, the skepticism keeps on feeding on itself, keeps feeding on itself, and the stock keeps extending. So I think that's also the case with BTBT. Yes, extended. Definitely, it did extend. I think the squeeze worked, I think, but even though it has pulled back, because I mean that piece was written on Sunday, the 8th of August, and today we are on the 11th. So a lot has since taken place. So we don't exactly have all the short figures, whether they have all been covered up. So definitely BTBT stock did extend, even it has pulled back. It has since pulled back, and it's now trading at a premium to all of its moving averages. The other one is Support.com. Let's put it up here while that is loading. SPRT, Support.com. Equally bullish as well. Equally bullish, even though just like BTBT has pulled back, now resting on its volume weighted average price. Yeah, so it did that piece. It just probably helped or coincided with yeah, I mean that prediction did happen, especially for BTBT, SPRT, especially also Siemens Healthineers. You know, they did extend very well. So let's quickly have a look and see what the short figures are for these stocks. Let's look at do we look? Okay, let's try BT. Let's try naked short report. But the naked short report is not going to give us any live figures. It's going to give us figures for August 9th. So we have 51.98%. So well, all in all, you know, each time these stocks rally, the machines or whoever keeps shorting them. So each extension, each short squeeze also opens up an opportunity for more short selling to occur. You know. So we can see 40% on the float, so an increase of 172%. So we believe this is very current. It's saying Wednesday 20 minutes delayed. We just believe that's the case. But in any case, though, just know that short interest in the case is not just is a combination of short volume, which is a combination of the shares sold short and probably the options or maybe the warrants, you know. So, but in any case, in the case of Bitcoin, so Bit Digital, it is 40.28%. The other one is SPRT, it's 33.43%. The other one is SMMNY. Okay, it is, we don't have the figure, it is, but it increased by 40%. So let's just validate and see what we looked at to be sure we are not okay. Yes, 40% for Bit Digital. SPRT, yes, 33.43%, an increase of 13%. So what of the other ones? ACY is 6.8. okay, the volume has dropped. It's not as high anymore. 6.86%, 42% increase. The other one is CRTD. CRTD is okay, but they have figures here. It says okay, they have some figures here, ratings. Okay, every century down 17% as at that Monday morning. Okay, they don't exactly have the figures, they just have their ratings and all that stuff. So well yeah, all of that short squeeze, it definitely did affect Bit Digital, support.com, Siemens Healthineers. So just know how you're playing these stocks, and thank you again for watching this video.